Hey guys, Lego Ninja 187 here again with another Nerf combos video. This time it's the Vulcan EBF 25. Following tradition, since I did a loose review I guess last week, this time we'll do it combos. As you can see, I've got a few things here. It's not a real lot you can do with this just because there just isn't. Or in my opinion at least. There's three rails, there's one there, one on the top, and one on that side. But the main point of the blaster is it's a turret, so there's not a lot of real crazy stuff I can do with it. If I really tried to, I probably could. Might do that in another video. If you'd like to see that, let me know. Comments are just down there. Let's jump into it. So the first thing you can do is, I'll spin it around so you can see, is grab a shield, dart storage shield, strike and defend kit shield. Either one doesn't really matter, and just slap it on. Maybe you want to put it on the top, like that, or on this side, which doesn't make much sense because there's a big ammo box, or the box that holds the belt sitting there, which will protect you. I mean, if you wanted to, you totally could. So with that being said, you know, you can slap these on. You can also get the torch or the laser sight and put on, again, any of them. I don't know how you'll be able to see. But I'll show you what I did if I can remember. So first we slap the torch on the left side. I say slap, I mean slide. And then we put the smaller shield on the right side. And then we can put the dart storage shield on the top. Now, keeping in mind, with this top rail, you put it on towards the handle and then push it forwards. I was trying to put it on the other way, as in put it on from the front and slide it back. And then I was like, oh wait, I've had that problem a few times. So there you go, the first combos, I guess. Got some shields, just to protect you from darts, and you got the torch there. Obviously you can fill this up with darts as well to look more menacing, as I say, which I will do to show you the difference. I've finished putting the darts in and see how much more, I guess, intimidating that looks, or menacing, as I say. So there's that. Now, where else can we go? What else can we do? So we've got the belt container, or whatever it's called there, which is all good. It holds a single 25 dart belt or chain. That's pretty cool. Well, I do have two of those, which is pretty cool. I like that. So I do have another. This is my 100 belt chain. You may remember I mentioned in a previous video, or the review, I think it's about 100 darts long. It doesn't fit in the little ammo box here, and just to prove it to you naysayers, I will try, I say try to put it in. I'm not succeeding very well, but as you can see, I'm about 25 darts in, and it's just not gonna happen like ever. So the best thing I found was to simply take this box off, like so, and then you just hang the chains out the side, like so. So a small 25 dart chain, quite a pretty smoke the concept. The box is cool to have on for the next thing I'm going to throw on. Which, okay, so we have this, whatever it's called, which actually came with the blaster since this is a creative blaster. So you put it on the flippy bits like so, and then you can throw it over your shoulder, which I will do a horrible job of showing you in just a moment. So then you go throw it over like so, that should show up alright, and voila. I mean, you keep the shields on there, then when you have it over your shoulder like that, put that other box back on. So as I was saying, put the box back on, hold the 25 nut belt, walk around with it, and then as you go through the rounds it just kind of drops out the side obviously. You can take the, if I can find that, take the tripod off, like so. Makes it a bit smaller, a bit lighter, and then you can take the shields off. Just because this one gets in the way of the belt a bit. That's why I'm taking it off. So yeah, there you go. We'll sit that on the floor. Let me know if you want to see me use any of the combos in a battle. I probably will. Let me know if there's any other blasters you'd like to see me do combos for or review. Currently it's just the CS-50. It's on that list. There's links below. Check it out. So many darts in here. There. Empty. The other usual stuff. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time. While I do this, we can talk about the Titan CS-50 of the Elite line. I'm really looking forward to it. Hopefully I can pick one up at launch. I say hopefully. The biggest selling point on it for me is, like I'm sure pretty much everyone else, is the 50 dart drum that it comes with, which I think is going to be pretty cool. We'll have plenty of darts to throw around, as you would have seen in some of my other combo videos. I like to have a lot of darts at my disposal, so that'll come in super handy. And since this is a combos video, we may as well talk about the possible combos with the Titan. There's only one tactical rail, which kind of limits our combos capability. But since we have the 3-in-1 tactical rail from the, the Modulus Demolisher, or Ultimate Customizer Pack, whatever you want to call it, we can take that one rail and make it 3, and then we should be able to do some really cool combos. We'll have some shields, plus and a few other things, a tactical light, and whatever else I can think of. Let me know what your combos for the Titan will be, if you're getting it, why you're getting it. It's for the drum, isn't it? The 50 dart drum, let's be honest. That's why we're all getting it. But yeah, will the Titan replace my Vulcan? Probably not. I'd probably just take the drum out and put in another blaster, but it'll definitely, I'll keep the Vulcan in my arsenal, I'm not getting rid of it, but I would like a few Titans, that would be nice. So anyways,